still grounded. I've got to make some Solari to repair this. Turned this one down before. Thought keeping my hands clean meant keeping my soul intact. But all it did was leave me broke. With no wings.
The courier returns. I wasn't expecting you after the last time.
The ornithopter's dead. Gave me time to think.
Dead birds bring old ghosts. I offered you something valuable once. Heavy work, sure, but rich returns. You sure you're not here for that package?
I'm not delivering poison. Even if it's wrapped in gold.
You always were stubborn. Alright, I've got something else less corrosive. Still pays.
What's the catch?
Easy pickup. One crate, middle of nowhere. But you want your gun. Heard it's been contested ground lately.
Fine. Give me the coordinates.
That's the spirit. Try not to get perforated. You're worth more alive.
For now. Every job's a liar in its own way. But I have no ornithopter, broke, and out of better options.
Then consider yourself slightly airborne.